Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etherscan API dashboard for contract verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Etherscan website. Once loaded, locate the API option in the menu. Click on the API option to access the API dashboard. Next, you will see the option to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you are new to Etherscan, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. After completing the form, click the Sign Up button to submit. You will receive a verification email shortly. Check your email inbox for the verification link from Etherscan. Click on the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Etherscan homepage. Now, click on the API option again. This time, choose the Login section. Enter your registered email address and password. Click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you will land on the Etherscan API dashboard. From here, you can manage your API keys and access various features. To verify a contract, navigate to the Contract Verification section. Follow the guidelines provided to submit your contract for verification. This will allow you to use Etherscan's powerful tools effectively. Make sure to keep your API keys secure for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.